Hello, my name is Bill Edgett, and today I'm going to show you how to make a request of the Ombud under the Right to Information or Protection of Privacy Act. Now, normally you do this of a government agency such as, let's say, the Department of Social Development for intake reports that have been made, that may have been made against you that you're not aware of, that may or may not have led to investigations. So I've already made a request of the Department of Social Development to provide me with the files, and they received my request on May 5th, I believe it was, and on June 5th I still had not received the files. So now, because this right to information request has taken longer than 30 days, I've not been informed that the request was difficult or complex and would take longer than 30 days. They do have up to 60 days, but they're supposed to inform the party within the 30-day period if it's going to take longer. So, again, this is what the St. John Police Force has done in the past, and I'll show you one of the reports I got from them under the Right to Information and Protection of Privacy Act. And I'll just turn the camera around. The most important parts of it. There it is, right there. So, occurrence is 03/06/23. So that was June 23rd, 2003. And you see that marked unfounded? Okay, so this is a report under the Mental Health Act. This was apparently made about me in 2003, and I was not aware of this St. John Police file existing. It was marked unfounded, so I guess that's why, because no one had ever contacted me. And the report was marked unfounded. But because of that false report from 2003, that false report from 2003 somehow ended up in the hands of Danica Edgett. And Danica Edgett provided information of this unfounded report in the first affidavit she supplied to the court back in 2015. And the same information from that police report in March of 2016, Detective Leslie Drost shared it with the Department of Social Development in an intake report, as if, again, this unfounded report, as if the information contained within were true. So I did make a complaint to the ombudsman at the time to report this violation, and they did conduct an investigation. Here's the investigation. January 9th, 2019. So I filed the lawsuit against the St. John Police Department in 2018. And also in 2018, I filed a complaint about the Protection of Privacy Act that the St. John Police Department had committed. So it took the investigator for the Integrity Commission, Chantal Gionnet-Bergeron, a complete year to conduct this investigation. In the 3 pages, it highlights my complaint, their review of my complaint, and authority to disclose your personal information, which they put a lot of information saying, a lot of these different agencies have the right to disclose information. But what it comes down to is my findings to date. Based on my results, my review of the police reports you have provided in this manner, the explanation I received from the St. John Police Force and the provisions of the Right to Information Protection Privacy Act and Family Services Act, I am of the view that the St. John Police Force was authorized to disclose your personal information as found in its Offense Report 16-1217 to the Department of Social Development March 16th, as per its obligations to do so under the Family Services Act. Okay, so this is where I get a little fuzzy. This report that they made in 2016, March of 2016, was from an unfounded report made in 2003. And not only that, they shared the information contained within this unfounded report as if it were true. So, as next steps, in reviewing complaint, advise and writing whether find satisfactory. I did call to complain about this fact, and I was told that if I provided information to the Ombud, Charles Murray, that he could review this file. So I did speak with Charles Murray, and the first thing he said was, police are allowed to share information. Okay. I can see that if it's relevant to the case, but this situation that was going on in 2016 had no relevance to the unfounded report from 2003-06-23. So I don't know how with the Department of Social Development, which is what triggered the first investigation into me, is relevant. So I'm setting up here in my I called the office of the Ombud, and they sent me these forms. It's 3 pages, 2, and page 3 of 3, so that I could fill out this report, or you can do it online. So currently I've got my computer set up here. Oh, it looks like my computer's dead. I'll have to plug it in and charge it, but I'll come back and once it's charged up and show people how to fill out a complaint to the Ombud, and also how to make requests under the Right to Information and Protection and Privacy Act, because I have made my request. I'll show the copy I have made. Oh, look, it's not dead. Okay, so here it is. Google search Ombud New Brunswick. How do I make a complaint? And you click on that, and there you are, the Ombud. So there's access to privacy, or access to information and privacy division, make a complaint. And I'm going to shut down right now because I'm running out of video space, and I will come back and show people how to fill out this form. Thank you very much.